Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here for a color comparison. I'm here to show you the color medium brown on Zoey compared to the color chocolate caramel on Zoey. These are Envy hair wigs, 70% heat-friendly synthetic, 30% human hair. I reviewed Zoey recently. If you'd like to see that review, I will link it in the description. And I promise to do this color comparison. Since that review was plenty long, I didn't cover color. So if you want to know more about these colors, then stick around. I've had a heck of a time filming this video, you guys. These color spotlights are hard enough, and when you have two that you're trying to compare, it becomes a real challenge. I would have liked to have filmed this outside, but we are going to do it in my bedroom window. I have natural light on me and a little bit of help from some fill lights so that we don't have shadows, but it's just not been, the weather has not been cooperative, and when the one day it was sunny, I just felt it was too bright and you couldn't really see the difference in these colors. It's really challenging. It's not as easy, I should say, as you might think to just go outside and film in natural light. The way that the brightness of the sun on any given day, if it's completely, sunny, no clouds, the angle of the sun, certain times of the day, and we have a lot shorter days here now in Minnesota for me to even get these filmed, and all of that impacts. And then when your camera tries to adjust to that brightness, it can really throw color off. So we're going to do this here. I'll watch this back as I'm editing to make sure I think it looks true enough to release, and that's what we'll go off of. So here on this mannequin head, we have chocolate caramel. On my head is medium brown. One thing I really want to note, color pulls completely differently on different hair fibers. So if you are familiar with either of these colors in regular synthetic, don't assume that these are going to look the same, because they won't. Color does pull quite differently depending on the fibers. Human hair will be different than heat-friendly synthetic, and all of that's different than regular synthetic. So we've got a blend here, and one thing I am noticing, this medium brown is pulling a lot more Auburn than the synthetic version. I wish I still had a synthetic version of this color. I had it in Chloe for a long time, and I don't have Chloe anymore. But I do remember how much I loved this color. It was kind of a medium dark brown with some beautiful neutral sort of light brown, ashy blonde blended highlights, not a super highlighted piece, well blended, but very dynamic. On this one, it's looking a lot more Auburn. So if you like medium brown by Envy, but you don't really like your Auburns, you really don't want a wig to pull red, I'd be cautious about getting this one because it's not going to look the same as it does in synthetic. Now, I think chocolate caramel looks somewhat similar because the Auburn is real similar, but this one, the biggest difference between these two is this one is better blended and the Auburn is more subtle because it's really not technically an Auburn. It's more of a dark blonde, light brown blend. It's just, I think just because of the nature of these fibers, it's pulling more Auburn on this one. But this one really has Auburn. You can really see that. And another really big difference between these colors is the blending. So there is a lot more kind of highlighted effect on here, somewhat stripy as you can see on the top, versus this one is much better blended. There is a little bit, you can definitely see some separation between the tones, but nothing like on the chocolate caramel. One thing I am noticing between these two, I will switch them up for you so that you can see this wig on, this one on me as well. One thing I'm really noticing, a couple things I'm really noticing. First thing, the brunette that they use in this, I really think they're the same. Let me take this one off and put it on a mannequin head for you guys, and then I can hold them side by side as I'm saying this. So I really believe It would be helpful if it were straight. I really believe that the brunette that they use is very similar. As I have studied this in inside light and outside light, the brunette looks very much the same, kind of a medium dark brown. It's really what they use for the contrast and the highlights that is different, as well as the placement. So when you look at the top of these, you can see both of them have a highlighted effect, but this one is more dramatic and more stripy. The other thing that I'm noticing, even though, I'm going to get out of here so it doesn't want to see my face, even though both of them are pulling somewhat auburn, this one is much more muted. So this is the medium brown, this is the chocolate caramel. So the chocolate caramel, the auburn in here is bordering on brassy in some places. And again, I think it's because of the human hair in here. And it's really golden. Not everywhere, but in some places, it's really pulling gold. And even like individual strands, can you kind of see the shimmer effect on here? Not the shine from my lighting, but look at individual strands. It's almost like there's gold in there. Do you see that? So this auburn is very bright, very golden. And again, I think part of that has to do with the fiber blend. Something else that I've noticed that's really obvious, at least to me, is the front. So they really took the lighter color and brought it up to the front of the medium brown, mostly. Like you don't see much in the way of the dark. It's very light up at the top. And my camera's trying to adjust white balance because of all of the different colors we have going on here. Let me see if I can force it, because I noticed that my screen got really dark. So you can see there's the darkers. And on this one, they didn't do that. So there's a real blend of the dark brunette and those golden auburn tones. What that does, it does two things. That makes the lace front on this one a little bit more obvious because the color, it's a lot darker up front. And it makes the overall effect of this color a bit darker, even though I think they both have the same brunette tone in them, same brunette color. The way that they've blended out the lighter colors and brought so much more to the front makes this one look a lot lighter than this one. So what do you do? If you are looking for a very dynamic color, you really like dramatic separation between the lighter and the darker tones, and you really like the golden effect that this auburn has, it's very festive. I mean, it's definitely beautiful, but it is a you know, your hair has been color processed kind of color. Then maybe the chocolate caramel, especially if you really like auburns, but you like to see the brunette, you don't want just a straight auburn, then the chocolate with caramel could be a great option for you. And if you get overwhelmed by a lot of lighter, even though this is still a brunette lightness at the face, that could be a good place for you. If on the other hand, you don't really care for those kind of the golden tones of that, sorry guys, it folded up in the back and it's pulling on my hair. There we go. The golden tones, but you don't mind a little bit of auburn, medium brown. Again, medium brown does not typically pull red or auburn in my experience from what I've seen in synthetics, but with this blend, it's definitely coming across more with auburn tones. But it's so pretty and it's very well blended with enough sort of separation to give it really a dynamic feel. And I personally love that they brought all of those lighter colors to the front. I think it brightens up the front, brightens up your face, makes that lace front look a lot more realistic. And, you know, I'm going to be 51 in less than a month. So I'm finding that lighter colors on my face, up around my face, are really flattering for me as I age. So I really appreciate that. I really hope that you found this helpful. I did my best to give you a good video and describe it well for you. I'll put some side-by-side pictures on the end, and I'll talk to you guys soon.